So if you guys can see, we put a gate is there, and then over there we extended the deck out. We are filling up the pool, and then we cut the tree, which looks so much better, but we still left it for a little bit of shade. So let's go check the pool out. So we're filling it now. It's pretty clean, as you can see. Oh yeah. So, oh shit, I just dropped this shit on the ground. So the pool is 15 feet by 30 feet, so it's quite large. But I'm really excited that everything came out. We did add lighting fixtures. So, and then we also extended the deck. You guys can obviously tell the difference, what we extended and added. But that's our update so far. So that gate does pull out, and it does latch. It's for the safety of our children and other kids that come by. But yeah, I'm loving it. We're going to be repainting, so I'll let you guys see that when it's done. But so you can see here, we added just a few pieces of wood to add it up. I think it's an additional like 2 or 3 feet. 2 feet probably, but looks pretty good so far. And I'm gonna be probably adding like a gate to rim it, I'm thinking. Not sure, but it looks so good so far. And I have gray deck paint that will be happening hopefully soon, but it's been raining like crazy here, so we'll see when it happens. But when it does, I'll be sure to show you. Eventually we're going to have this done. I don't know when they're coming out to do it, but has to be soon. And I did get a grill, so we're so excited. Hey guys, good afternoon. So today I'm going to be getting my lashes done. So now that we're in phase 3, it's important that we try and stimulate the economy if you can, and also pamper yourself a little if you can. And so I'm going to be going in to get these lashes done. My lashes are not that bad, and yes, I was in the sun, so I am a little sunburned. But these are the befores, and yes, I'm getting my eyebrows done on the 9th, so excited. But these are my lashes before, and I'm really excited because they're very, they have really high reviews. So hopefully everything goes well, and next I can get my nails done because I'm ready. But yeah, so that's what we're doing, and I will have to show you guys what has been going on in my yard so far. I know that I showed you guys a little bit of the backyard, but now we're extended and we're putting up a fence. So we have a lot going on that I've been slacking, and it sucks because I just feel like we're all in this really big rut and depression, and a lot of things are going on that are so sad. And honestly, I just feel like we all need to come together, lift up each other, and move on to make the world a better place and bring humanity back into society. Because I just feel like if it's not one thing, it's like the other. And I really personally just, look at this from baby hairs. When I had my son, my hair was falling out. But I just feel like if it's not one thing, it's another. And it kind of like brought me down a little bit into a small state of depression. So I'm just like trying to pull myself out. This is actually the first time I filmed in probably 3-4 weeks. And I feel like a lot has been happening. And yeah, I just feel like I'm just sad about like the world and the state that we're in. And it really pulls you down. Like I try to be very up for my children and my family. And like I try to cook, I try to do this. I try to, do everything as normal as possible. But really it's just like sad. Like this is like a sad, sad world. There's the lack of humanity, and it's just everything that's going on, like the injustice, the inequality, it still ceases to amaze me to this day. Like, And I'm not only speaking because I have a half black daughter, but just in general, it's just a sad time that we live in. You know, I have mixed babies, you know, so it's just for them, for their children, we need to be better. And I'm going to go off on a rampage now. But yes, we stand together, we unite, because this is what we need to do to bring humanity, to bring life back into society the way we're supposed to. But I'm going to get my lashes done. I will film when I get out. I don't think I could film in there, and I didn't ask, and I don't want to like impose myself. But yeah. So I'm just gonna show you when I'm done, and then if I like the place, I will link them down below. How about that? Let's compromise. So if I like them, I will leave it down below, and I'll do like a little bit of a review after I'm done, and then I'll do a review like in a next vlog on how they're holding up like a week later. Okay, we'll do that. All right, cool. So I'm gonna keep saying while I live my life. But I'm gonna go. Oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna go in there right now, and let's see how this goes. So before, and we're gonna see how it looks after. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am just out of my lash appointment, and this is my new obsession. I think that they look so good, natural, with everything I asked for. I was nervous, but oh my god, I like can't stop looking. It's like I have makeup on, but not really. So I'm so excited.